Here on this Thursday morning, here's Pete.
Well, we're doing pretty good here, Brandon, as we get you out the door. It is warmer, and after some patchy fog, we're doing fine in the quarter. We don't have any visibility issues. Sun's about to come up, and you could see some tall clouds off in the distance. We've had a couple showers, and so you may run into one of those isolated showers, but for the most part, we don't have any big issues. No dense fog advisory in the metro anymore, just still some patchy fog in the bayou and the river. Today's warm temperature, 77. How warm? Well, we're way above the average, which is 64, but we're close to that record. That was set back in 2008 and also in 2021. 2021 brought some warm temperatures in December too. Now this morning I'm tracking some showers and storms. We've got a thunderstorm in Harrison County lifting away from us. Just some spotty showers in St. Tammany down to Slidell, and zooming in here you can see some of those spotty showers around Slidell, but that heavier thunderstorm is moving north of I-10 over in Harrison County, Mississippi. So you may get a spotty shower today, but the bulk of the heavy rain is now moving away from us. Watch your time here. We're really going to warm up today. Warm temperatures, cold water temperatures, those two things equal sea and lake fog. So I wouldn't be shocked if we maybe do see some fog on our water later this morning through the early afternoon. Now, if you're heading out this evening, we may have a couple thunderstorms around. I've got a 30% chance of rain around 8 and 9 o'clock this evening. That's the cold front moving in, and that will dry us out and also bring some chillier temperatures as we head into tomorrow morning. Now, we're not talking about a freeze, but it will be back to jacket weather tomorrow morning. North Shore in the 40s, South Shore in the 40s and low 50s. Saturday morning is going to be quite chilly as well. May have some 30s north of I-12, but no freeze with this cold front. And then that's it. We're warming up as we head into Sunday. So here's your high temperatures over the next 7 days showing. We go from 77 warm today, cool and sunny tomorrow, back into the 70s on Saturday. Saturday's gorgeous, by the way. Sunday looks like maybe a couple showers, and then next week we're mostly going to stay above average and in the 70s as we head towards Christmas. So no changes in our thinking on Christmas. I'm thinking Christmas Eve a high of 74, Christmas Day a high in the mid to upper 70s, and we may have some fog around for that Christmas Day as well. Temperatures across the south and the plains warm. No big rain across the middle part of the country on Christmas Day, but look, a big storm system out west. That could eventually bring us some colder air by the end of the year, but that's going to create a soggy Christmas Day along the west coast. If you're heading out to California, it looks kind of nasty on Christmas Day. So here's our 7-day forecast. From warm today with patchy fog to cool and breezy tomorrow, back into the 70s on Saturday with gorgeous weather. Sunday, we'll watch out for a couple of showers. Monday's just a slight dip in temperatures. And then as we head through next week, we're going to stay mostly in the 70s. And with those 70s around for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, we'll be watching for some fog around the region. For our boaters, just watching out for some sea and lake fog later on. Other than that, winds will switch directions tonight. A little gustier tomorrow with north winds, and then they're back out of the south as we head into your Saturday. Your high tides for today are going to be this evening, and low tides will be through the rest of the morning.